Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to screen mirror your Android phone to your smart TV. And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find the tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to make sure that your Android phone share the same Wi-Fi network with your smart TV. And for you to do that, what you need to do is to head over to your setting on your Android phone on your smart TV. Go to setting. So on getting to setting icon right here, make sure you click on OK. Then having clicked on OK, next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here. Where you see network and internet, click on that. Here you can see that I have already connected my Infinix Note 30 with my smart TV. So if you have not yet connected your Android phone with your smart TV, kindly connect it from here. After you are able to connect it, that is when you can actually screen mirror your Android phone with your smart TV. So let's get started. Alright, so back to your Android phone right here. What you need to do is to make sure that you head over to your settings. So I'm going to simply click on here and I will type in settings. Then I'm going to click on settings right here. Then having opened up settings, next thing you need to do is to make sure you navigate to hotspot and connections. Just like so. From hotspot and connection, scroll down right here and make sure you look for cast. In some other way, you might not be able to see cast in this way. And I will show you other way by which you can use to get cast. I'm going to simply go back right here and I'll make use of search right here. This is the second method on how you can see cast. Click on search right here and type in cast. So when you type in cast, you are going to see these options right here. What you want to do here is to simply click on cast right here. Having clicked on cast, it takes you right here. The same hotspot and connections. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here and make sure you head over to cast. Click on cast and it's going to take you right here. And next thing you need to do is to turn on this particular toggle button right here. Once you turn it on, it's going to automatically discover your smart TV name. Just like what you see on the screen right here, this 2K smart TV is the name of my smart TV. So once it discovers your TV name, click on the TV name and it connects. Then here, simply click on Start Now. The next thing you need to do is to go back to your smart TV right here. Click on back. So this time around, you have to make sure you scroll down right here. Make sure you head over to System right here. Then from System, scroll down and make sure you head over to Cast. Click on Cast right here. Let other control your media screen. Show notification on all Android devices connected to your Wi-Fi and let them control media casting to this device. Simply click on Always. Just like so, you can see it right here that you have fully connected your phone with your smart TV right here. So we can simply click on, as I'm operating from my phone, it's automatically displayed on my smart TV, just like what you see. So whatever you do from your phone, it will automatically appear on your smart TV. So if I simply open up on any app right here, it will automatically display on my TV, just like what you see right here. So let me simply open up my Outlook mail right here, just like so. It's that simple. You can also play videos or what have you, or anything you can do from your phone right here. It will automatically display on your smart TV. It's that simple. Just like what you see right here, you can see whatever you are doing on your phone is going to be displayed on your smart TV right here. So if I try to open up any app from my phone right here, it will automatically launch on my smart TV. So for instance, if I try to open Amazon Udemy app right here, so it connects straight up on my smart TV right here. It's that simple. So if I exit from here, it will show my home screen on my Android phone and everything is going to fully display on my smart TV right here. And if you want to disconnect it from your phone, what you need to do is to simply head over back to settings on your Android phone. So I'm going to simply look for settings right here. So go to settings, then from settings right here, click on here and make sure you search for cast, then select cast, then make sure you scroll down right here and then go back to cast. So here, just turn off this particular button right here and you are back to your smart TV. It's that simple. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.